Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix mobile view on Shopify. So if you're wondering why your images doesn't look as pleasing as they could on mobile view, you just need to resize some images or you want to resize some videos, we are going to show you it here on how to fix it on this video. So you want to go to your store here. We have the sales channel here. Just click on the I button here. When you click on that, it's actually gonna show the view for your site. So once you're there, you just want to click on edit homepage, and from here it's gonna load up a new tab. So what we want to look for is the icon that's actually gonna look like a computer. So just click on that, and from here you want to click on mobile, and from here it's actually gonna show our mobile view on our page. So you could edit the images here. For example, we have the image banner here. So if you're wondering why your image doesn't look as pleasing as they could, we have to actually just change the image banner that we have here. So for example, you want to change this. Actually, it looks like a square, but we could actually translate this to our editing software. So if you have Photoshop, or if you could use Canva, for example, which is like a free software that you could use. You just need to sign up for Canva. So here, just log in to Canva and just create a design. So instead of choosing one of the suggested here, you just click on the custom size, and you want to input 1024 on width and height, and just click on create new design. From here, in this new design here, you want to input the image that you want to use and save it, and you could now use this on your mobile device webpage. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.